Noah. Two dudes at the dam. Alright, we are at the Hoover Dam. We're in the parking garage. And here's what we're seeing. Two dudes at the dam again. So we just came in on this road. Ooh, sorry for the wind. And there's the dam. Can I get that again?
You're an awesome lady.
I needed video confirmation that he just said that. Okay, so here we're walking up to the dam through the parking garage. There's 3 different tours, which I should have vlogged and I didn't. Visitor center costs 10 bucks. Then there's a visitor center plus it's $15, and then there's a $30 tour, but we'll see if I can find it down here. So we're gonna go down. So we have to go through security, and there is the stuff we have to do.
So some quick facts about the dam. 1/3 of the produce grown here in America actually relies on the water right here at the dam. Another fun fact is the dam's original purpose was for flood control, not for electricity. Now I'm going to explain to you how we harness the Colorado River, but first let me tell you where we are. We're in one of the 4 diversion tunnels. This one right here to be exact, in this location right here. And these diversion tunnels are 50 feet in diameter. They span 4,000 feet long. And it took 2 years to blast through the canyon through the canyon walls. Now, the first step to building the construction side of the dam is they had to clear this area of water. So they built 2 coffer dams. They're basically stainless steel and fencing and concrete that were built upper and lower.
Noah. 2 dudes in the tunnel.
Are they wanting to do this?
I don't know. So this is part of the exhibits. So inside. Wait, come here, Dustin. 2 dudes in the turbine.
Dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. brave characters called high scalers swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid foundation. From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the 5,244 feet across the top. Only 78 feet.
Exit. All I know is I just got super dizzy and sick to my stomach on that tour. Really queasy. Nobody else got queasy though, right? Right. Just me.
Vigilance, perseverance, and justice.
Gib's gonna stand next to it to give you perspective of how big this statue is. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so Noah just overheard that you have to rub the toes for good fortune. And it's our last night in Vegas. So now we're all gonna rub the toes. It's kind of gross.
It is gross. Just get germs.
Yeah. We're not gonna get good fortune. We're gonna end up with some of these guys. We are just video.
Okay. This is what in 40 seconds.
You can go there if you want to go to the old exhibits.
So this side is Nevada. One dude looking over the wall. Oh my goodness, whatever.
Now see before when we took the tour before 9/11.
Two dudes on the dam.
We used to go down into the power plant there.
Oh, okay.
That's where you used to go.
So she's saying before 9/11 you can go down into the power plant right there. Now two dudes in Arizona. Woo! Woo! Noah's not being a very good dude. So over here, this pillar clock, if you can see the blue clock up there, says Arizona time, which they're on the same time right now. So I don't know if one participates in daylight savings and the other doesn't. Well, we're in daylight savings time now, so I don't know. Maybe it changes during the winter. Noah just asked me if I would be mad if he threw my camera in the Colorado River. Yes, I would. Yes. Oh, look. One dude on the bridge.
He sure is.
Two dudes on the dam. One is in Arizona and the other's in Nevada. Woo! These two hillbillies dressed alike today. They're not even related. Two other dudes on the bridge. Dam. Two dudes under the palm trees. What'd you think of the Hoover Dam Tour?
It's pretty neat.
Pretty neat?
It was 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Granny, Hoover Dam Tour.
Great.
She's done it before, so
Many times.
Hoover Dam Tour.
Who what?
Hoover Dam Tour, what'd you think? All right, but you've done it before, right?
Yeah,
How many times?
once.
One other time? This is only your second time?
I think so. I don't think I took it. I think I took it with my sister.
Gotcha. Sean, Hoover Dam Tour, what'd you think?
I give it a 10 out of 10. Very informative. Nice.
No,
Not what I thought it would be,
no,
but it's nice.
awesome, cool, good tour, glad we did it.
Picture this.
Oh. Aw, the dog who owned the dam. That's pretty nifty. Okay, so there's the plaque for the dog that was run over, and here's the grave that I was just standing on because I didn't realize that's what it was. Two dudes on a bench. Do 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 do. You want food or drinks, this is the only place that you can get them, and you can only consume them here.